Hi lovely people, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is the H strings and threads. Yeah, we're going to do sublimation for success gift. Yeah, someone is wishing their family or their sister success in their final exams. So this is the t-shirt. We started by switching on the machine. You know, on this channel, I have two kinds of audience. I have those learning from me and I have my customers. So when I do such a video, my intention is basically for those who are learning from me, my students. But still, even the customers do benefit from such videos because they get to know the process that their products go through to reach them. Yeah, it's important to some of the customers as well. So we started by switching on the machine, the heat press machine. Now we're preheating the shirt. It helps to remove all the moisture in the shirt so that when you put the design, it will go into the shirt properly. And as you preheat the shirt, you make that crease you see in the middle of the shirt. It helps you balance the design, whatever you're going to put on the shirt. And you have to tape it down. If it's DTF, it doesn't need taping down, but if it's sublimation, of course you have to tape it down so that it doesn't shift as you put down the heat press. Not this as well. This is heat resistant tape. Not all tape can work in this type of work. Yeah, so this is heat resistant tape. Not every tape can work. So we set the temperature at 380 degrees for 10 seconds. So now we're pressing the design on the shirt. This is sublimation. I had to skip a little bit of the heating, but that's fine. As long as you see the process, that's what matters to me. There you go. There you go. How are you lovely people? Hope everyone is having a great day, a great evening. For those watching this in the evening, yeah, thank you so much for supporting me. I really do appreciate. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing it. Yeah, this is my logo. I usually put my logo on every single shirt I make. Not only shirts, everything I make sure to put my name out there. I do this with this mean heat press. Yeah, this work the same, but this is a mean heat press, so I do it specifically for the logos of small designs. This is how it looks like. Yeah, now the shirt is done. Thank you so much, guys, if you have made it this far. Yeah, I really do appreciate, and I wish success to Tracy. I know what it means when you're going to sit for your exams. I've been there some time back, but I wish you success in your exams, Tracy, and thank you so much, my lovely customers. Signing out. Bye bye. See you next time.